ImageFX app. So this is the app from Google. You can go to Labs Google tools. So this is basically a AI image generating tool just from Google. It's not yet available and everywhere, but it's available for US for free. So if you're located in United States, then basically, yeah, you can just go and try out this tool. Yeah, and then it's, I don't know, it's kind of like Mid Journey, but it's actually high quality. So as you can see, for example, here is Fuddy Bear, Plushy sleeping in modern apartment bed. And then you can see it's really high quality image, almost like realistic image. And then you can just say this was good or this was bad to help to develop the tool. So it's quite realistic tool they're using. And so here it is. So let's try it out. So then you might see this. And yeah, so this is the app. And then you can download the image, again, copy share link. And then you can see that the detail is actually really good in here. Yeah, so it's very realistic image, quite cool. And then there are also settings, seed, best quality, aspect ratio. So you can, yeah, you can see the Imagen 3 model, which you can see here. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. So try out ImageFX, just Google it. There are a bunch of other tools which are just called ImageFX, but I think you're looking the one from Google. So that's the idea.